children, this is your English teacher. My name is Malika Tarunam. Listen to it. In previous class, we discussed about the I Wonder poem. We learn about the I Wonder poem. This poem is completed. Are you read this poem, ma? Okay. Listen to it. The second chapter. Today we learn about second chapter. The name of the Monkey Orchestra. The Monkey Orchestra. Okay. Listen to it. What is that? This is the story of Mowgli story. Which is the story? Mowgli. Are you see the cartoons? Cartoon channels? The Mowgli lived in forest. He is lived with the animals and types of the animals. He is the best friend is Balu. You know the Balu. Balu is a bear. Balu is a bear. Bear is the best friend of the Mowgli. Okay, monkeys and bear, foxes. These all are in the forest. The Mowgli also the in forest. Once are you see this movie Mowgli movie? That is cartoon movie. Anybody not see this movie? All of you watch, ma. Listen to it. Now we are learn this story. Learn this story. In this chapter, listen to it. The lesson name is the Monkey Orchestra. The Monkey Orchestra. Okay. This story is about the famous comic character. Famous comic character Mowgli. He and his friend Balu were feeling bored and wanted to have some fun. Let us read this interesting story. How Mowgli, Balu and some monkeys entertained themselves. Okay, now we are in the learn this story. Listen all of you, listen carefully. You have this textbook. You have textbook. You open this textbook and the page number 10. Okay. Mowgli was a little boy who lived in the jungle. One day he was walking through the jungle, singing a happy song. On the way he met his friend Balu the bear. "What a beautiful song," said Balu. "It is sad that there is no music to go with it. If there was, it would be really nice." Listen. Suddenly, there was a sound in the branches of the tree. Above them, Balu and Mowgli looked up. It was the monkeys screaming and shouting. The monkeys always made a lot of noise. "We heard you," they chattered. "We will make music for you. We would be very happy." Listen to it, children. Mowgli was a little boy. Mowgli was a little boy. He lived in the jungle. Jungle means a forest. He is lived in a forest. One day he is walking through the jungle. He is walking through the jungle and he is singing a song, but there is no any music. On the way he is walking to the jungle and on the way he met his friend. His friend name is the Balu. His friend is Balu. Balu is a bear. "What a beautiful song," said Balu. "What a beautiful song. It is sad that there is no music to go with it. If there was, it would be really nice." Are you singing the song? The song is very nice, but there is not any music. But you singing very nicely, said the Balu. Next, suddenly. Suddenly means occurring unexpectedly. The sound is there was a sound in branches of the trees, but the Balu and Mowgli looked up. The branches are on the branches the sound, the above the sound, and the Balu and Mowgli looked up. it was the monkeys. It was the monkeys. You know the monkeys are very shouting, very noise. The monkeys also a lot of noise. Always they do the noise. We heard you. We heard you. Heard me. Listen. We listen you. They chatted. Chatted meaning talked fast. They chatted. The monkeys are talked fast. We will make music for you. We will make music for you. We would be very happy. We will make music for you, said the monkeys to the Mowgli. Okay, said Balu. But how can you? You don't have any gaiters. You don't have any gaiters, drums or any musical instruments like that. But the monkeys just laughed. We do not need any of them. We do not need any of them. They carried. The monkeys jumped over to an old hollow log that was laying on the ground. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Dub, 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 dabba, dub. Okay, listen it, said Balu. We would be very happy, said Balu. But how can you? You don't have a gaiters and any music instruments, drums. You don't have. But monkeys are just laughed. Monkeys just laughed and said the monkeys, we do not need any of them. We do not need the drums, gaiters and musical instruments. But they carried. The monkeys jumped over to an old hollow. The monkeys jumped up to the old hollow. Hollow means a hole. Hollow means a hole. Listen. Hollow log that was laying on the ground. Shaking. They hit it with the hands. Once they hit with their hands. Once you look at this picture. This is the log. The monkey hit with his hands and made a nice sound. Then the monkey hit the log that is made a nice sound. Dug, dub, dub, dabba, dub, like this. Okay. Some of them brought some dried grounds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Rattles means a device which give out rapid succession of short sound. Rattles, chung, 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 changa, chung, like this sound. Okay. Some of them tied some long plant to a couple of branches and began playing them. Twanga, twanga. They went twang, twang, twanga, twanga, twang, like this. Okay, listen it. Some of them brought some dried grounds with seeds in them. They started shaking the seeds with the rattles. Rattles means a device which give out rapid. We wrap them. The sound is the one of the short, sharp sounds. We hear like this, chang, chang, changa, chang, like this. Some of them tied some long plants to a couple. Look at this is the long plants of the couple of branches. The monkeys are sitting on the branches. Began playing them. Twang, twang. They went to twanga, 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 twang, like this. What a wonderful music band you make, said Mowgli. Mowgli said to the monkeys, "What a wonderful music you make." So Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. The Mowgli sing a song and the monkey's band is along with him. Played the music along with him. The sound of the band was so good that Balu just had to dance and sing along. The Balu dancing and he is also the sing a song. Boppede do da boppede do, like this. Boppede do da boppede do, like this. He is a dance. Balu is a dancing and singing the song. What a lovely time they had. This is the lovely time they had. Mowgli and monkeys and the Balu doing the entertain, some of the fun in the jungle. Jungle means forest. Okay children, once you read this story and all of you listen these hard words and read it. This is the hard words of this lesson. The lesson name is the Monkey Orchestra. Okay. Mowgli, M-O-W-G-L-I, Mowgli. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. S-I-N-G, sing. I-N-G, ing, singing. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. B-A-L-O-O, Balu. B-E-A-U-T-I, beauty. F-U-L, beautiful. M-U-S-I-C, music. M-U-S-I-C, music. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G, screaming. S-H-O-U-T, shout. I-N-G, ing, shouting. H-E-A-R-D, heard. C-H-A-T-T-E-R-E-D, chattered. Goiters, G-U-I-T-A-R-S, goiters. D-R-U-M-S, drums. Okay, word meanings once you listen, ma. This is the word meaning in your textbook. All of you look at this textbook, and you don't have a textbook, you look at the board. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. Jungle meaning is the F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. H-E-A-R-D, heard. Heard meaning listened. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D, listened. Hollow, H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow. Hollow means hole. H-O-L-E, hole. R-A-T-T-L-E, rattle. Rattle means device which give out rapid succession of short, sharp sounds. Branches. L-I-M-B-S, lines. R-A-R-E-R, B-O-U-G-H, bow of a tree. B-A-N-D, band. G-R-O-U-P, group of musicians. Group of musicians. Suddenly. Suddenly means occurring unexpectedly. O-C-C-U-R-I-N-G, occurring. U-N-E-X-P-E-C-T-E-D-L-Y, unexpectedly. Chartered. Chartered, C-H-A-T-T-E-R-E-D, chartered. T-A-L-K-E-D, talked. F-A-S-T, fast. Talked fast. Once again listen, ma. All of you read this lesson. You have textbook. All of you read this lesson. Anybody don't have a textbook, you purchase this book. These books are available in our school. Thank you. Have a nice day.